spread problem depend on that is a slope. So in slope there are two important formula. First one is if the angle that is theta is given, to find the slope means that is m is equal to tan theta. Suppose that is p x1 y1 and q x2 y2. Suppose 2 points are given, to find the slope that is m means y2 minus y1 divided by that is x2 minus x1. So in this period I want to discuss with condition for parallelism and perpendicular of a lines in terms of their that is a slope. So condition for perpendicular and parallelism of a that is lines in terms of that is their slopes. Suppose this is usually you have to draw that is x-axis. So simply write that is x-axis and that is y-axis. That is two line is given. So first one is that is L1, the straight line, that is first line, that is L1. So similarly write that is the second line, that is L2. The straight line L1 makes an angle that is alpha to the positive direction of the x-axis. Second line L2 makes an angle that is beta to the positive direction of the x-axis. The condition for that is parallelism of a lines means ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ L1 ಒಂದು ಐತಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ L2 ಕೊಟ್ಟನ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ L1. So similarly right, so this line is perpendicular to another one the straight line, right, that is L2. So this angle is that is alpha. So similarly, so this angle is that is beta. So totally, so this angle is that is 90 degree. Condition for perpendicular and parallelism of a line. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲಿಸಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಏನದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ L1 the straight line, let L1 and L2 are the two lines with the slopes that is m1 and m2. Then alpha and beta are the inclination of the line that is L1 and L2. So on the same line, so L1 and L2 be the two lines that is with the slope m1 and m2. Let alpha and beta are the inclination of the lines that is L1 L2. So for the first diagram, right, that is let L1 L2, so that is BD, so that is a two line, you add two lines BD, right, that is two lines with that is a slope, very simple, right, that is with slope another, right, that is m1 and that is m2. Okay, if alpha and beta are the or let, so that is alpha and alpha comma beta are the, right, that is inclination of alpha and beta are the inclination of that is L1 and that is L2 on the same line. First diagram that is for parallelism, second diagram that is for another that is perpendicular. L1 and L2 be the two lines with the slope ಏನದವ m1 and m2. Let alpha and beta are the inclination of the straight line that is L1 and L2. Then you have to write that is the slope of the first line, right, that is m1. m1 means that is tan, that is alpha. So similarly slope the m1 slope of the first line andre, so that is m1 means that is tan alpha. Slope of the second line, right, that is m2 means m2 is equal to, right, that is tan beta. That is a condition, ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನು. the line L1 is that is parallel to that is L2 line ಏನದವ right line, so that is L1 is that is parallel to that is L2. First line is parallel to the that is the second line. Condition for that is parallelism, L1 is parallel to L2. So L1 is parallel to L2 ittandre therefore the angle alpha is equal to that is beta. Angle ಏನದ alpha is equal to right alpha is equal to right that is beta. So attach both sides by that is a tan function, right, that is a tan alpha is equal to right that is a tan that is beta. Tan alpha is equal to tan beta. Tan alpha means that is m1 right, that is m1 is equal to, so tan beta means that is m2. Condition for that is the parallelism, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ m1 is equal to m2. m1 means that is the slope of the first line is equal to slope of the second line ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the two lines are that is a parallel. Then come to the second one. Second ಏನದ right that is perpendicular. Same L1 and L2 be the L1 and that is L2 be the that is the two lines with the slopes that is m1 and m2. Let alpha and beta be the inclination of the that is the line L1 and L2. Same statement ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, then come to the condition if that is L1 is first line, right, that is if L1 is right that is perpendicular to L2. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಕ L1 ಏನದ L2 ಏನದ that is perpendicular ಅದ. if L1 is perpendicular to L2 ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore exterior angle that is beta is equal to exterior angle that is beta is equal to sum of the two interior angle that is 90 degree then plus alpha. So ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ tan ಫಂಕ್ಷನು, right, that is tan of very simple that is tan beta is equal to right that is tan of that is 90 degree then plus that is alpha. Again simplify ಮಾಡಿ that is tan beta is equal to tan of 90 plus alpha. It lies in the second quadrant only, that is the sign is positive. 1 by sign means that is cosec is positive. Remaining trigonometry functions ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. tan 90, so that is 90 ತಂದ್ರೆ tan is changed to that is cot or that is cot is changed to tan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan ಅದ, tan is changes to cot ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is minus that is cot alpha. Again simplify ಮಾಡಿ, right, that is tan of that is beta is equal to the cot alpha can be written 1 divided by, so that is tan alpha. Cross ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ on cross simplification, right, that is tan alpha into that is tan beta is equal to right that is minus 1. Tan alpha means tan alpha andre right that is m1 ada, tan beta means that is m2. Tan alpha means that is m1 multiplied by tan beta means that is m2 is equal to that is minus 1. So condition for the perpendicular lines andre m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Condition for that is parallelism of a lines andre m1 equal to that is m2. Therefore the two condition, ಒಂದನೇ condition ಅನ್ನೋದ parallelism ಅಂದ್ರೆ m1 is equal to m2. It means that slope of the first line is equal to slope of the second line ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ therefore the two lines are that is a parallel. condition for perpendicular andre m1 m2 is equal to -1. Slope of the first line multiplied by slope of the second line equal to minus ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore the two lines are that is -1 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore the two lines are that is perpendicular. Okay, then come to the examples. Example number that is 1. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. Right. Find the value of x for which the point x minus 1, 2, 1 and that is 4, 5 are that is collinear. Collinear andre so that is ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ solution for the first example. Right, that is point A ಅನ್ನದ x minus that is 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟನ. Similarly that is point B that is 2 and 1. Therefore that is a slope of, very simple, that is a slope of AB bareri. So this is nothing but m1. m1 andra by using the, so that is a formula, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. y2 minus that is y1 divided by another x2 minus x1. Substitute the value. Therefore m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 andra 1 minus of that is minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 means that is a 2 minus x. Totally 1 plus that is 1 divided by that is a 2 minus that is x. Totally m1 value ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore that is simply m1 is equal to that is a 2 divided by that is a 2 minus x. Then second point ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, let that is a b point. So simply that is a 2 and 1 and that is a c is that is a 4 and that is a 5. So you have to find that is a slope of that is slope of that is bc. So suppose as that is m2, same formula by using y2 minus y1 divided by that is x2 minus x1. So that is a 5, y2 andre that is a 5, y1 means 1, 5 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 andre 4 minus 2. So totally 4 divided by that is a 2. So therefore slope of the m2 is that is a 2 1 that is a 2 2 means that is a simply that is a 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 points ಏನದಾವ that is a collinear. Therefore the points very simple. Therefore the points that is a b, right, that is a c. Therefore the points a b c are right, that is collinear. a b c are collinear andre slope of the first line parallel m1 is equal to ಏನದ right, that is m2. collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, that is parallel lines ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. m1 is equal to m2. m1 ಎಷ್ಟದ right, 2 divided by that is a 2 minus x is equal to simply m2 means that is a 2. ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 divided by that is a 2 minus x is equal to 1. on cross multiplication 1 is equal to that is a 2 minus x. rearrange the equation. ಈ x ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬರಿ, x is equal to right, that is a 2 minus 1. therefore x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is a simply x the value ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ that is 1. okay, then come to the right, that is a solution for the that is the second problem. right, that is example number that is a 2. example number 2 ಏನದ, if 3 points that is h0 and AB and that is 0k lie on a line, then show that answer the a by h then plus b by k is equal to that is 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನದ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ h0, then second point that is b coordinate that is a comma b. therefore similarly right, that is a slope of that is ab. so this means that is m1 m1 is equal to ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ y2 minus y1 that is b minus that is 0, b y2 minus y1 means b minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1 ಅಂದರೆ that is a minus h. So a minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is h, therefore b divided by a minus that is h. Okay, ಇನ್ನು similarly that is b coordinate, b point ಏನದವ right that is a b ಕೊಡೋಣ. b is that is a b ಅದ and that is a c means that is a 0 comma that is a k. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿ that is a slope of bc ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Very simple, therefore that is a slope of that is a bc, it means that is m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ k minus that is b divided by that is 0 minus that is a, therefore that is m2 is equal to, so that is k minus b divided by that is minus a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದನ if the 3 points lie on a line, ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾವಂದ್ರೆ therefore the 3 points are collinear, therefore the point that is a b c right that is a b c are that is collinear. ಈ 3 points that is collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ so parallel condition ಏನದ m1 is equal to that is m2. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ m1 ಎಷ್ಟದ right b divided by that is a minus that is h, a minus h is equal to, so that is k minus that is b divided by that is minus a. on cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus that is a by b is equal to a minus that is h multiplied by that is k minus b. simplify ಮಾಡಿ minus that is ab is equal to a ದಿಂದ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ak, then minus that is ab h ದಿಂದ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ hk, then ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ that is bh. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ab, so that is ab is get cancel. rearrange the equation, right that is 0 is equal to that is ak, then minus that is hk, then plus that is bh. okay, so rearrange the equation. ಇದು hk ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬರಿ, therefore right that is hk is equal to right that is ak, then plus that is bh. so call as equation number 1. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ದಿಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ, then plus that is bh divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ. therefore at the end rearrange the equation, a by h plus b by k equal to 1. therefore at the end a divided by h, then plus that is b by k is equal to 1 is the required that is line. so 3 points on the show that the line a by h plus b by k equal to that is 1. then come to the example solution for the example number 3. Right, solution for the example number 3 ಅಂದರೆ if the lines through the point ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ is perpendicular to the line through the point 8 and 12 and x and 24 find the value for that is x ಅದ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದದ a and b, right? That is the solution for the example number 3. Point that is a ಎಷ್ಟದ minus that is 2 6 and that is b is that is 4 8. ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Right, that is the slope of AB. So this is nothing but that is m1 direct formula ಬರೆದರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ, direct simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So y2 minus y1 means that is 8 minus 6 divided by 4 minus of that is minus 2 totally ಇದೆ that is 2 divided by, so that is 4 plus that is 2 totally 2 divided by that is 6. So it means that is 1 divided 2 1s that is 2 3s. In second point ಯಾವುದದ, right? That is b. So that is c point, that is c, right? That is 8 comma 12 and that is d that is x comma that is 24. ಇದರದನ್ನು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Right, that is a slope of that is a CD. Suppose as that is m2 is equal to same y2 minus y1 andre that is a 24 minus that is a 12 divided by x minus that is 8 totally that is a 12 divided by that is x minus that is 8. Ida equation number that is 1 andri. Similarly equation number that is a 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಇದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇದೇನದ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಐತಿ. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನದ, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ m1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ m1 m2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1 perpendicular to the line ಅಂದನ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಸೊ L1 ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು L2. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನದ, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅದ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ m1 m2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ m1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x minus 8 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1. 3 1s that is 3 4s, alright? So 4 divided by that is x minus 8 is equal to -1. Therefore 4 is equal to minus in the bracket that is x minus that is 8 cross ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, therefore 4 is equal to minus x then plus that is 8. ಈ x ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬರಿ, x is equal to right that is 8 minus 4. Therefore the value for x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತದ, so that is simply that is 4. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ. ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ ಏನದವ, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದನ. m1 m2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ಕಂಡೀಷನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ the condition for parallelism and perpendicular example depend on that is the parallel and perpendicular of a that is the two lines. Tomorrow onwards I want to start with one important theorem in the list of that is 5 marks, angle between the that is the two lines. So thank you, one night all.